Hi, it's Danny here. Thank you for checking out the first video in a series about the function, mobility, stretch and strength of your wrist joints. Let's drop into flexion here. Please join in as you bring the back of your hands towards each other and get a sense of the angle here. Go to extension, prayer pose, where you lift the elbows up with the hands gently sealed, nice mudra there. And what's your extension like? You might have more play one side and less play the other. Let's go up and down with the ulnar deviation, radial deviation. How's the comfort? Range of motion, how's it feel? You can even look. Basic movements of the wrist include circling. Let's circumduct. You can go this way, you can go the other way. Okay, I'll keep these short. Look out for other videos in this series about your wrist health. Thanks for checking out this first video.